Welcome to the next tutorials in the C language. In this video, we are going to see this assignment operator. So let's start the video. Now our topic title is assignment operator. At very first, we have equal operator in this. See, you can see what is meant by equal operator means. Let us consider an example like int a equals to something value 10. You can see here this is a equal operator. It is the first operator in the assignment operator. So when we use this, the value, so whatever the value is right side of the equal, it is copying into the left side of the variable. I think this is no to all. So let us print the value of a. Let a equals to, here I am giving a. So if I run this, you can check out the value of a. A is now 10. So this is a simple equal operator. Then next, let us take in this next one, we have like this place and equal. We have this place and equal operator. So you can call this as addition assignment operator. So for this, let us consider something like b equals to 2. So if I give here like a plus equal to b, then it is means, I will explain this syntax of this. So it is means a equals to a plus b. So first the value of a is adding with the b value, then again it is copying to the a variable only. So this is the meaning of this syntax. Now a equals to a plus b means 10 plus 2, which is 12, again storing in the variable a only. So if I run the program, you can see here the a equals to now 12. Directly give the value, like you can give 2. So this means a equals to a plus 2. So again this give the same answer. So the right side you can use values or variables, but at left side you must use the variable, because you need to store the operation value into the left side variable. So at left side you must always use the variable. So at right side you can use variable or value as your wish. Then we have next operator like minus equal to. So this is, you can call subtraction assignment operator. So meaning of this means a equals to a minus b. So when you perform like this, it will subtract a with b and again copying the value into the a. So now 10 minus 2 is 8. So if I run the program, you can see now a equals to 8. Again we have multiplication assignment operator, like this is means the a equals to a into b. Now it is multiplying a with b and again the value is copying into the a variable only. So now 10 into 2, which is 20. You can see the output. So again we have division operation. You can call division assignment operator, which gives quotient. So meaning of this means a divided by b, again the value is copying to a only. Now 10 divided by 2, quotient is 5. You can see now a equals to 5. See, it is successfully executing. Again we have, similarly we have modulus division also. Now a modulus division equal to b means a equals to a modulus division by b. So first a performing the modulus division with b, the remainder value is copying to a only. So if I run the program, you can see the output. Now when 10 divided by 2 leaves remainder 0. So So this is all about the assignment operator. So this is how the operator going to perform the operations. Again we have like increment decrement assignment operators also. So I will show one of them. Suppose if I right shift the value of a by b, so it is means now the a is right shifting by b and again storing the value in the a. So it is perform bit operator. The 10 means right shift by 2 value means it is value of 2. So now a is 2 value is 2, or you can change this thing 3, then it is a value of 1.